Medical science has come a long way in its ability to treat human diseases. Trouble is, that process of developing new medical treatments and new medications is slow and arduous and expensive.
We start with the petri dish and the preclinical study and clinical studies, and then finalize to the FDA approval. This takes a lot of years, 15 to 20 years.
That's especially true with medical issues involving the brain. Medicines must cross the blood-brain barrier, protecting the brain. Scientists must make sure the medication isn't rejected, and medicines must target the correct neurons. Animal brains and human brains are too different to adequately test all of that, so researchers need to use a human brain, or something equivalent to it, for drug research. Dr. Yoon discovered how to solve the problem: create a brain cell from another type of cell.
Recently, the scientists found a way to generate the stem cell from the skin cell, and that allowed to provide the tremendous amount of stem cell, easily compared to what we have done before.
Stem cells are the body's master cells. They are the building blocks of all the cells, the organs, and the tissues in the human body. Using skin cells, called fibroblasts, and through a process called differentiation, Dr. Yoon and his team created brain cells. He calls them mini-brains.
The goal of our research is to develop viable brain organoids or mini-brains. And the purpose of this is so we can simulate not only brain development, but how brains operate when they're exposed to diseases, as well as possible therapies moving forward.
It really can accelerate the discovery of new therapies and drug development. The research that he's doing can reduce and even replace, for some topics, the use of animals in research. And so the work that he's doing with the mini brain is really outstanding, and we're really excited about it.
Dr. Yoon's mini brain tissues will provide realistic and real-time data about how drug therapies will be able to access brain tissue, as well as the drug's effects on brain tissues. That mini brain model has already provided new insights into traumatic brain injury.
As engineers, we can really create the environments of the traumatic brain injuries and see how the mini brain responds with these injuries.
But the mini brain's greatest impact may be in Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease research. That's because scientists are able to study the diseased cells in real time.
So if you're able to take cells from an Alzheimer's patient and make an actual mini brain of it, and then be able to model the disease and figure out what specific drug that would work best for him, which is what Dr. Yoon is doing, I think that would save so many lives. That would be very cost efficient, it would save so much time.
The research could unlock more personalized medicine options for doctors to treat patients. Medicines could be designed to treat particular symptoms or specific stages of a disease. As the mini brain model process is refined, Dr. Yoon sees great opportunities.
It's quite expensive for the mini brain research right now, but I think the next couple of years with this, all the scientists and community, it will lower the cost a lot. Then I think maybe everyone can have mini brains in the futures.
Thanks y'all for watching this video, and if you want more where that came from, check out our channel, Sci and C. Stick around.